Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best crystal growing kit is probably one of the most fascinating and educational science kits for kids aged 8 to 12. Today, we're diving into the world of crystal formation, exploring how these stunning structures are created, and seeing which kits offer the best experience. Get ready to witness the magic of science as we grow our own crystals, learn about the different types, and discover the secrets behind their vibrant colors and unique shapes. Let's get started. Number 5. 4M Crystal Growing Science Kit. This amazing kit lets you grow your own crystals. It includes everything you need to perform 7 different experiments. It's a fun and educational way to explore the world of science. Inside, you'll find all the materials necessary for each experiment. Just add hot water and watch the magic happen. The instructions are easy to follow, making it perfect for young scientists. Once the crystals are fully grown, you can display them proudly. The kit includes a special display case to showcase your beautiful specimens. It's a great way to admire your hard work. This kit is ideal for kids and teens with an interest in geology or science. It's a hands-on learning experience that sparks curiosity. They will love it. This is a great STEM toy for kids. It's recommended for ages 10 and up. Challenge your child's imagination with this exciting and educational kit. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of experiments, perfect for budding scientists. It includes display cases, allowing you to showcase your creations. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that sparks curiosity about geology and crystal formation, this is a great choice. What people say. The crystals grew overnight. The crystals were very pretty. The kit was easy to use. Number 4. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit. Unleash your inner scientist with this amazing kit. It allows you to grow crystals in 6 vibrant colors, including glow-in-the-dark. The crystal chemistry has never been so fast, fun, and colorful. Growing crystals is a breeze with the easy-to-follow instructions and silicone growing chambers. You can grow your own crystals in just 3 to 4 days. The clear crystal seed rocks can be left in your delicate crystals. Showcase your beautiful creations. This kit includes a light-up display to show off your 5 favorite homegrown crystals. It's the perfect way to admire your hard work. This kit isn't just about growing crystals, it's about learning. It includes 4 real gemstone specimens and a STEM learning guide. You'll discover all about crystal formation. This product is brought to you by Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. They develop products that encourage education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team to ensure you have a great experience. What we like. This kit lets you grow colorful crystals in just days. It also includes a light-up display to show off your creations. If you want a quick and visually stunning crystal growing experience with a cool display, this is the one for you. What people say. The crystals grew quickly. The instructions were easy to follow. The crystals are beautiful. Number 3. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit. Discover the magic of crystal growth with this kit. It allows you to grow crystals in 3 vibrant colors, blue, purple, and green. This engaging science experiment makes learning chemistry fun and colorful. Showcase your crystals on the included light-up display. It features 7 single-color modes, a rainbow mode, and 3 brightness levels. This display will make your crystal treasures shine. This kit contains everything you need to start growing crystals. It includes growing powder, seed rocks, a growing chamber, and easy-to-follow instructions. The flexible chamber makes it easy to remove your crystals. The kit also includes real gemstone specimens, like a geode and fluorite. A detailed learning guide explains how crystals grow. It's a great STEM gift for kids. This product is developed by Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. They create products that encourage education and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This kit allows you to grow crystals in vibrant colors and display them with a light-up stand. It also includes real gemstone specimens. If you like a kit that combines colorful crystals with a beautiful display and a touch of geology, you should consider this. What people say. The crystals grew quickly. The instructions were easy to follow. It was a fun project. Number 2. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit. Watch crystals magically grow on the included trees. This kit allows you to witness the fascinating process in a short amount of time. It's an amazing experience for kids. Customize each tree with the included watercolor pens. You can choose the colors and watch as the crystals absorb the ink. It's a fun combination of art and science. Explore a genuine geode specimen after the crystals have grown. The included learning guide provides interesting facts about crystals. This STEM kit is both educational and fun. This kit combines science and art, making it a great activity for kids. It's a hands-on project that encourages creativity and learning. This will keep them entertained for hours. We are proud to offer high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not satisfied, we'll make it right. This kit provides a great learning experience. What we like. This kit lets you grow crystals on trees and customize their colors with markers. It combines the fun of an art project with the science of crystal growing. If you enjoy creative projects and want a unique crystal growing experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The crystals grew quickly. The crystals were very colorful. It was a fun activity. Number 1. Crystal Growing Kit, Hedgehog. Want to be a chemist? This kit lets you grow colorful crystals on 2 adorable hedgehog models. Watch as the crystals magically form in just 24 hours. It's a fun and vibrant way to explore chemistry. Don't worry, it's easy. The kit includes step-by-step instructions to guide you. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have beautiful crystals every time. It's designed to be simple and fun for everyone. The kit comes with everything you need: 2 cute hedgehog models, colorful crystal powder, seed rocks, containers, and stirring sticks. There's also an instruction sheet to help you learn about hedgehogs and crystal growing. This set has it all. This kit is both fun and educational, making it a great gift for kids of all ages. It's perfect for individual play or group activities. It's sure to fascinate children and is a great gift idea. We're confident you'll love this kit. It comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're here to help and ensure you have a great experience. What we like. This kit allows you to grow crystals on cute hedgehog models. The instructions are easy to follow, ensuring beautiful crystals every time. If you are looking for a fun and engaging project, especially for younger kids, this kit is a great option. What people say. The crystals grew quickly. The crystals were very colorful. It was a fun activity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.